So today we'll be going on a hike to Mount Kwakwa, and I bet it's gonna be good, really good. So this is at the beginning of the trail, and I guess the tour begins. I don't think monkeys actually like bananas. Oh, fudge sticks. Thank you. Finally here at Grenada. After 2 years, I'm finally here. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's everything that I expected, and I'm just loving it. I can't wait to reach up by the top there. We're gonna hike all the way around, go around, go around. Hopefully we see no snakes, because I hate fucking snakes. Really?
No snakes, just monkeys.
And I hope I see monkeys. I love monkeys. I've never seen wild monkeys. Gazillion hours, we're finally going on the hike. Hi.
Yeah, man.
So this is Grenada Lake. It's not the best view. Just a while ago I missed my shot, so I'm just taking here. I guess when I come back I'll take a better shot.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And they're gonna...
These ones here?
This leaves.
Oh,
It's the leaves.
looks like fun. Wow, look at that. And now we have to go all the way up this.
Let's go, let's take it to the top. Right?
Up in?
Are we to the top?
No, 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 no.
We can get a view here of the lake and
Yeah.
the whole southern part of the island.
Yes. Wow, this is beautiful. This is pure Grenada, guys. This is beautiful. The savannah? We're down there? I don't think so. This is beautiful. I recommend this for anyone.
Let's go.
And it's not really a hard trail.
Not too hard.
Nope. It's not too extreme. So when you reach all the way up to the top, When you're 3/4 to the top, halfway to the top, you're gonna see a sign, Mount Quacca Trail, and this Mount Concord Falls Trail. Let's see over here. Which part?
Between these two mountains there.
Right between this. Wow, look at this mountain. This mountain area. This is really nice. But I never know say I Trinidad chain. No, we're going to do so far now. Hey, we're Pleasant City, so go for the park. This is just crazy. Wow.
Shit looks so epic.
Wow.
Somebody would have come up here with that line.
Hard. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. I believe in you. Don't fail me now. Come Team Trinidad.
Go on, you make it. That's right.
That's it.
You got it.
He had my jump, you know.
See?
Me now go there, so.
Let's go.
Look at Jamaica me come from. We not doing them something there. So we are on the rock. This is so scary.
Stand up.
No, okay.
Show Pleasant and Freed.
Oh, foot sticks. If you guys can look, if you guys can see, I mean, you see the rain is falling over that side. That is so cool. You know, I always want to see rain falling somewhere from an airplane, and it never happened. Now I'm seeing it from the hills.
So over there is Mountain Catherine.
Mount St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Okay. This is so cool. The rain is falling. I actually see this in our lifetime. Seriously. Look where you look, man.
Tell how much one is fed on.
Huh?
Fed on.
Cap? What about you?
Can be. And where I say can be.
Why?
So it started from a little teeny wingy thing, and now it's taking over the entire place. I hope it's not Bird Box, you know. You know what the movie Bird Box? Oh god. I'm not jumping there, you know. If I jump in there, what happened?
You try and see.
Yay!
I might now keep video.
So we are heading back down Mount Quacca. It was so fun and I'm loving it. It's a lot more easier to go down than actually go up. Just like any other place.
Seaside to find a man. The water from she pump could sail a boat.
What that?
What that
name? What that name? With Indian song them?
Why that song?
No Indian song that?
No.
Because they have one name feet where sitting there with a use.
I said it is something I love kitchen after.
Oh. Oh. still high, but we're going down.
The water from she pump could sail out.
That's great. Kids, Shane, kids watch my channel too, you know. Look here over there. Look here over there with you, you know.
This one, I didn't take.
Oh yeah, I think it's runs from here. All the way back there. Grang the tongue. We should bathe in it. We should go for a dip.
We'll get some STD.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Imagine if one of them fish swim up the urethra.
You're not supposed to pee in fresh water. You know what can swim up.
In Brazil, those kind of fish that swim up the urethra.
Brazil.
You can't.
You can't get through. I stay legal, married to you.
So she'd feel like to entertain us. I sing the old soca's, the calypsos. Oh, you know so much calypso?
Because of that tree.
Yeah, brother.
Oldies is always goodies.
Actually, we all sang them way better. Okay, so the hike is over and we are about to go. It was worth it, and I really like it. And I would do it again, and I recommend it for anybody. The hike is not too much, it's not too less, it's most definitely worth it. As I said, and I think you guys should check out the one behind the airport as well. That one is amazing as well. But remember, I said that one is for people that are actually physically active, because there are some areas that you have to climb up. So I recommend this one is way more better. I would say it's way more easier than the one down by the airport. So you guys should totally check it out.